mini macarons. This one.
Both called it from the beginning.
15.
Called it. Knew that they had to be nice.
And the banana bread is like for
Do what we gotta
like a lot of bread.
Fussing on fights, we'll keep in trust. And you make me want to say, I love you better
do, I think. Right? You just like kind of mix them together.
So we both do it at the same time?
Yeah, we do it together.
Yeah. But like one thing and I do another thing. You mean like that?
No, the same thing.
Okay. Oh, okay. Got it. Anyway, it's easy.
Yes. You will show me your skills too.
Oh my god, I don't have any skills. Wow. Let me see.
Wow. Yes, let's do it. Okay. You did what? Really? Oh, yes, I want to try. That's such a thing now to do your own oatmeal and egg. Like, I feel, like every YouTubers do that. I'm like, what? Oh, I'm not lying. It's good. No more almond milk. Oat milk never. So you don't know what oat milk tastes like? I think it's kind of similar, right, to almond milk. It tastes better than Really? Yeah. Better? Because I love almond milk. So I will try. But I like it when it's more sugar.
No, because I'm trying to do it no sugar.
Ah, that's why, yeah.
No, really.
I just can't wait to eat the banana bread matcha and to taste all the things. How your friends call you? Danban? Dan. Okay. Like les trucs français ça, phải không?
Giống vậy,
yeah.
Baking powder.
Oh.
Brown sugar.
Wow. Yes.
Sunny.
I mean, it's Vietnam, right?
Yo.
So we need to go buy some flour. Where is it?
Right outside. Sushi. Look at it.
Oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they could pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before that. ATTENTION. Snap a photo with my girl, but post a picture with her friend. I'ma loop my head, tryna find myself again. Doing circles in her feet, only let them see me win.
Pieces of me that I want to see the most. I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real.
Okay, let's smash the banana. Dan told me so.
Since it's already ripe, I will not put as much sugar. So maybe like.
Yeah, I'm so talented in smashing the bananas. Actually, do you need to put brown sugar? You don't need, right? I mean, it's already super sweetened, no?
Yeah, but then when we add flour,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like.
In my wave, I've been avoiding what feel like shit. Whoever said they get lonely at the top was probably all by themselves and they had no one to take that flick.
Pieces of me that I want to see the most.
To do so. Just
Like a Michael Jordan, this is my show when I'm taking over again. To my heart, and showing how the sidelines feel.
I add and then you mix.
Okay. Okay. Teamwork.
Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Pieces of me that I want them to see. All of the things that I just wanna be. Let's run it back, Max. Tell them about it, Max. We ain't never stressing. You can always catch us flexing on a highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real.
Or coconut macaroons.
All the dunks and the
Desiccated,
touchdowns and home runs.
unsweetened coconut.
Yes, serious?
Yeah, you have to decorate it.
Oh, I feel like the eggs are so big, no?
Yeah.
Oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them some.
Yeah, it needs to be bigger.
Oh
but
my
okay,
God.
It's okay. Go slowly. In the middle. Then turn.
I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight.
Doesn't look like in the video. Whatever.
So who just puked here? Is it you?
Burning bridges by the morning. If I leave, it's not important, baby. I've been trying to take it all. Yeah, I've been ready to ride. So if you ride in my wave, I've been avoiding what feel like shit. Whoever said
He's so photogenic. What a pro! Snowball, look at this.
This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Pieces of me that I want them to see. All of the things that I just wanna be. Let's run it back, Max. Tell them about it, Max. We ain't never stressing. You can always catch us flexing on a highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the
So we're gonna play a game and ask each other questions, right?
Yes.
And at the same time, we're gonna dip the macarons that we just made in the chocolate here. Oh. So it's gonna be good. So we are not famous yet, so we need to ask ourselves questions. Okay, you can start.
I can start.
Ask me a question.
Do you miss anyone or anything right now?
No, missing anyone. I mean, I do miss my family, but like right now, no. But like in general,
Yes.
yes. So it's like in my dreams and subconsciously, like I know that I'm missing them. But like now, no, it's okay. We have food.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
my turn. What TV shows do you like?
Right now, I'm watching. It's okay to not. It's okay to not be okay.
Oh, I heard of
It's a
it.
K-drama. right now.
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
Yeah.
I see it, but I'm like, no, it's Korean, so I don't want. Is it
It's
amazing?
no, it's pretty good. I heard.
Is it good? Yeah.
Yeah. My turn.
So it's a drama?
It's like about mental health. Yeah. I like it. It's pretty original so far.
Okay. Who do you truly love? Yeah, it's a deep question. Tell the truth. Yeah, it's like a bread, like a mean one. Like a healthy bread.
Yeah.
You know?
Like a skinny.
Who do you truly love? That was the question.
Oh my god, I don't know. That's a real question.
Skip.
Skip.
So you don't love anyone?
I mean, my family, my friends, my dogs.
Yeah.
What were you doing 3 hours ago?
I was driving there maybe? No?
3 hours ago.
Yeah. Right?
Okay, so maybe before driving. Before that.
Yeah, so before that, I walked out in my nice gym and then I just ate before coming here.
Yum yum. What kind of workout?
Like just biking, you know, with the machines. And like abs, legs, arms with the machines. Cool.
My turn. Somewhere with the beach.
Okay.
Okay, right now my dream vacation is Greece.
Greece?
Yes,
Yes.
Santorini, Greece, where everybody wants to go.
Yeah. Instagram,
or
right?
like some island. Bora Bora. Or
Fiji.
yeah.
Maldives.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Maldives. It's gonna be a long time because we're in a pandemic.
Yeah.
The worst injury you've ever had?
Oh my gosh. I don't know if the first accident or second accident in Vietnam, but maybe the first because I got robbed. So I think it's one more. Because the second one was an accident, like we slid.
Yes.
So it was super scary, but the first one was even more unexpected because I wasn't even riding, I was just crossing a road. And a bike just fly by me and he took my bag, but I was flying with the bag basically. Like it was terrifying. Like I didn't know how I could survive to this because like my face was like near the wheel, like as he was driving, speeding, and he just didn't care. And then I crashed on the ground because with the speed, like my bag could detach thanks to that, and then I just crashed on the ground. Like it was like, yeah, it's crazy. Like I have all my teeth, and then I'm so grateful for that because it's like, how did I even?
Yeah. It changes.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's so hard.
Why? It's weird.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Eat.
Eat?
Yeah.
Baking maybe?
Eat. Baking, swimming. I like to swim. And
More than tennis?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
I love swimming. I think
okay,
I
so
was,
you really should come to my pool.
I was a mermaid in my past life.
Oh.
I think so, yeah. Maybe. Chocolate.
Yeah, it's okay. I think we don't need more, right? It's okay. There's 2 more left on me.
What novels do you read?
I don't read novels, but more self-help books. You know. So.
None ever? No novels ever?
No, yeah, of course when I was young, for school. Oh, you know. And
Yes.
But
Any favorites?
yeah. I remember when I was very young, I was reading that novels. It was a series, and now it's on Netflix.
What is it?
The Babysitter Club.
Oh, I don't.
It's for children, but I was so surprised to see that because it's all my childhood basically, and it's from an American author, and it's like a group of girls, like 12 years old girls, like doing a business of babysitting, a babysitting club, and yeah, I love this series. Like it was,
Did you watch the whole series on Netflix?
no,
already?
I just watched 2 episodes, but it's so childish kind of. So I'm like, you know, like they made it so perfect and modern. Also they adapted to the area that we are living now, like with like Instagram and
who's
else,
in
you
it?
know. Like it's only children, you know, like it's like really like young actresses. Where do you want to live? Do you know where you want to live?
Damn, that's a hard question.
In Vietnam or not? First.
Day 2. Day 3.
Yes.
I wanted to say I would maybe like Europe.
Europe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where then?
I don't know, somewhere chill and calm. Cause like there's pros and cons everywhere, so like I don't even know. I mean, I want to have a home in each country, you know. Just kidding. I don't have the money for that yet.
Yeah, it's a good choice, I think, to go to Europe.
Somewhere with
Let's see.
good healthcare.
Yeah, so not American.
Yeah. Yes, basically not.
Yeah.
Cheap, free. Like I would say Canada.
Yeah, Canada is
Kinda
nice.
I like
Yeah.
kind of like Canada. But I've only been to Vancouver. I want to go to Montreal. Yeah, I've been to Europe. I mean, I've been to France, but I was too young
Yeah,
to
you were
remember.
too young.
anything.
You need to go back there by yourself. Or...